sort this out. Give this kitchen a major clean. I've been in and out of the house with work for quite some time. I've done a couple of resets in between events, and now I've got about 3 weeks before I'm on site again up in Mackay. Purchased a very nice cupboard, tidied this whole area up. Oh gosh, does anyone else like constantly buy vitamins but never takes them? That's me. I'm always like purchasing vitamins. Was 5 minutes. All empty, vacuumed. I think I'm just gonna wipe it down, and then it's time to open the box. I'm so excited. This is it. This came 5 days ago, and I have been dying to open it up. Oh, I hate it when there's like styrofoam. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be a lot of cardboard here. That's actually wood. That's actually wood. That's not cardboard. No, don't use good girl. Where's that ball? Okay, I think I've gone as far as I can with this. It's a really beautiful morning. I haven't taken the dog for a walk yet. I think I'm just gonna quickly go for a swim at the beach. Bathers are on. It is pretty much winter on the Gold Coast, but that doesn't mean we can't swim. This? He's a good girl. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Did you? Where are we? Hey? Wait, are we at the beach? Are we at the beach? That was just so beautiful. Now time to head back and finish this cabinet, which I am super excited about. Hey. Sorry, babe. And get this done as quick as I can, and we can just put it into place. Ooh, I like that look. So stupid. Look, it's beautiful cupboard and this like warning sticker on there. I know it's a safety thing, but I'm gonna get it off. Now hopefully these are the right heights. Yes. Now I've just got to clean all of this and all of this because it's all just like super dusty from being on top of the wire shelf. I'm kind of in two minds about the cupboard. I've put like my health and multivitamins, protein will go there, and then I've got all like my cooking stuff. I kind of like it that it's in a cupboard and it's nice and dark, but I don't like it because I can't see where anything is. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep going and keep tidying up and putting things away, and then as I get comfortable using it, I will just kind of adjust it to how I want it to be a little more. Got a little unboxing. I've been saving these boxes because it's all to do, well, most of it's to do with like kitchen stuff. Here goes. Removable tiles. So I'm hoping to put these in the kitchen. Just add a little bit of colour, just change it up a little bit. Some black ones. Tape for the shelves in the bathroom. Glass straws. So a little while ago, I've got steel straws that I've been using, but I'm pretty sure there was a good chunk of mold in one of them, and I remember having a smoothie and yep, drank the mold. Oops. Acrylic shelves, these are clear. These are for the bathroom. This vlog isn't too long and I'll do it in this vlog so you'll get to see it. And it is sea moss. The research that I saw was that, oh no, I think maybe it should be put in the fridge. It's got these thermal bags. I'm a little worried now. This hasn't been kept in the fridge. Sea moss. I think this may have spoiled. I don't know. Honestly, styrofoam should be illegal. It's a new clock for the kitchen. This with like these, oh, it's gonna be so good. Final box. You know, traveled all over the world, and I've had coffee on in quite a few different countries. And when I was in Vietnam, I bought like a Vietnamese coffee maker, but it broke a little while ago. So I went onto Amazon. I thought this was stainless steel, but this is obviously aluminium. So you put your coffee in here, put this little compactor down, pour the water in and sit this on top of your coffee cup with like a little bit of condensed milk at the bottom of the coffee. And then it drips through into your coffee cup and you just stir in the condensed milk and that is your Vietnamese coffee. More tiles, but those are the tiles. Oh, I don't know whether we're gonna put these up. These are sunglass holders. And then, how do we feel about these? They feel quite cheap, but they're actually working quite well. These were actually pretty expensive. Like, I mean, I know they're not tiles, but they feel a little bit plasticky. So much waste. Now I just need to clear off that kitchen bench and start looking at tiles. Alright, so this is the options that we're going for. We've got this one, which is actually a little bit, it's got pulling up a little bit darker. It's got a little bit more green in it. We've got this one. And we've got this one, which I actually really kind of like. It's so nice and fresh. And I wonder if maybe I could put these in the... Okay. I think I like this. It is a little dark, but I do like it. Alright, so one of the other things I want to do is I want to just update these shelves. Originally I had these stuck like this, but the angle of the shelf, I feel that the products will just fall straight off. So we're going to put them up this way, I think. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alright, so I'm not sure if I'm going to put up another shelf. I do want to get rid of this, but I just don't have the head capacity or the brain capacity to go through and organise this. Okay, so I've got the final thing for the kitchen. Pretty excited for this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait because it's going to be so good because I can go get some more plants. Okay. All right. Here we go. Okay, so this is where we're at. I've just put a couple of like random plants. Ignore that, that's dog food. I've got to move that. And I'm still going to put the decor and stuff in the shelf. But I think I like it. I think if we get like a reasonably like a tall plant that comes up here, and then maybe some drapey plants here. Maybe I'll even just get some fake stuff. I've got heaps in the storage.